Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Today I'm reviewing this HD web camera by HAVIT. You can buy these on Amazon for $7.99, which is quite a good bargain. Yeah, let's check out the review. Roll those titles. Right, now this is the web camera here. It says HAVIT there at the top. It's quite decent for the amount of money that I've paid for it. I mean, $7.99 isn't a lot of money really. But these days most people have got web cameras already built in their PC. But obviously I didn't, so I've purchased this. I purchased it because it was obviously only $7.99, and apparently it's got good reviews on Amazon. That's the reason why I brought it. Well, this is a web camera anyway. At the back here it says the specification. Product information there. It does the resolution is 640 by 480, which is not really that good. But it's good enough for like what I want it for. That's what I got it for. It's HD as well. Let's have a look inside the box. What you get inside the box? And this is the web camera here. Get it out. You get inside the box, it's just basically standard instructions. That's basically, and some more instructions and some more inside the box. User manual. This is the web camera. It's got a built-in mic at the side there. And these are lights, so if you want some more light for your camera you can, you switch it on. This at the end is a USB, and also this here adjusts the brightness. There's a volume control here, it adjusts the brightness on here. I suppose it's a good idea if you need more light for your camera. And also it has a clip, so you can clip it onto your monitor, easy enough. And it adjusts different ways, which is good. Yeah. I'll just show you the web camera on and tell me what you think at the end. Right everybody, here I am. My web camera's on, if you can see, up there. This is what the quality's like. I'm just going to now just record something I'll say now, and I'll show you the quality of the audio as well. Let's record something. I'm just going to say anything. Blah de blah de blah, and blah de blah de blah, blah de blah 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 blah. Anyway, yeah. Yay! I know. Stop it now. Let's have a look at that. This is what I've just recorded. I'm just going to say anything. Blah de blah de blah, de blah de blah de blah, blah de blah 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 blah. Anyway, yeah. Yay! So yeah, that's the audio quality anyway. Let me know what you think about this web camera here. I've got lights on all, but the lights, I did say look, it adjusts at the side. Yeah. Let me know what you think about this camera, web camera, in the comments below. But apart from that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!